Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Shanmuraj. We are continuing our discussion around flow-based series. We are continuing our discussion on Principle 6 of SAFe 6.0, make value flow without interruptions. Today's topic is measuring flow. We are going to talk about flow metrics. Measuring flow. It is difficult to improve what is not measured, right? Historically, it has been challenging to measure the development process as the work items are more intangible and invisible, living mainly in the minds of knowledge workers who design and build the systems. But the physics and tooling of flow, like time boxes, Kanban, value stream mapping, CD pipeline, stories, features, and more, provide a new basis for measuring the flow of value through the development value stream. The Safe Measure and Grow article describes six metrics: flow distribution, flow velocity, flow time, flow load, flow efficiency, and flow predictability. If you look at this picture, it depicts safe flow metrics. Six flow metrics being discussed here, right? So let's go one by one. I'll be putting a independent videos how to apply these metrics in each of the flows like team flow, art flow, right? Or portfolio flow. I'll be putting a separate video, right? So now let us try to understand what are all these metrics all about. Flow distribution is a measure of proportion of work items by type in a system, right? Say for example, in your value stream, right, you might have different types of tickets or different types of work or different types of user stories, like development user stories, maintenance user stories. You might get it right. There may be of you can categorize your user stories based on the business type, right? Could be of banking or payments. So you can have number of different types of work items. So the flow distribution, measuring that, it makes a lot of sense, right? We will see how to apply this flow distribution in different flows like team flows and everything. So for now we understand that flow distribution is a measure of proportion of work items by type in a system. The second metric is the flow velocity. Flow velocity measures the number of completed work items over a time period, right? We talk about sprint velocity, we talk about a velocity for iteration, right? So it's a similar metric. Flow time. Flow time is a measure of time elapsed from start to completion for a given work item. So you can refer, or resonate with your cycle time or lead time, right? That's called flow time. Flow load. Flow load is a measure of number of work items currently in work in progress, which is actively waiting. So that you will understand what is the capacity, is its loading is correct or not. Fifth metric is flow efficiency. It is the ratio of time spent, ratio of total time spent in value added work activities divided by the total flow time. So you want to understand how much of time, how much of percentage of time your team is working on value added work. Very, 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 very important metric, right? Flow efficiency. The final metric is flow predictability. Flow predictability is the measure of how consistently teams, arts, and portfolios are able to meet their commitments. So these six metrics contributes to the safe flow metrics, right? Which you can track it for any flow, for art, for team flow, for a solution train. You can apply it to that. With that, we have come to the conclusion of this particular video. Hope you guys understood how to go about measuring the flow. What are the six flow metrics you can apply for measuring the flow, right? With this video, we are completing principle number 6, making the value flow without interruptions. So you can refer all my previous video plus this one to understand completely about principle number 6, which is a new principle introduced in SAFe 6.0, right? So hope you guys like this video. I'll be putting further videos on flow in the topic of value stream management, how to have a leadership for VSM, and other flows like team flow, art flow, solution, and portfolio flow. Right. So number of videos are in the queue. I'll be producing it by now, one or two in a day. So hope you guys like these kind of videos. If you like this, please share it across and spread it across with your friends who might get benefited with the knowledge sharing. Right. So that also get beneficial to me as well. Right. So with that, I'm signing off. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.